Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I want to talk about two ticker symbols. The first one is ticker symbol TMC and the next one is ticker symbol DRCT, and both of these tickers have some nice setup in terms of the chart and also the cost to borrow fee rate, number of short shares availability. That is why I wanted to bring these two stock to your attention. Also, I made two other videos on ticker symbol MULN and HYMC during the weekend. Please have a look. Also, in this week, there will be a FOMC meeting on interest rates. So it could be a very volatile week. So please play accordingly and do not lose a lot of money. I just want you to make some profit. That's it. So if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I have a Patreon community. The link is in the description and also in the first comment. Become a patron, get access to my Discord, and each morning get my alerts for entry, exit for different ticker symbol, and see how we have been doing on few ticker symbols: 79%, 32%, 24. The day before, 144%, 32. So we are making it, and this is not just a story makeup. Like, we are just making it anyway. So let's talk about TMC first, okay? So this is a metal company, and we know all the Russia-Ukraine thing happening, and the material, they are popping, right? So it was up 8.9%, and after hour it is up another 2%, so more than 10% on last Friday. If you look at last 5-day chart, this thing has been on an uptrend, okay? It is on an uptrend. This is the important thing. So if you look at the volume, the average volume is 6 million, and last Friday's volume was 30 million. So it got more than 5 times volume. You can see that chart. It was having a lot of volume in October when it was $10, $12. Volume died, share price died, and now it is getting more volume for last few days. Okay, so volume is coming back. As long as the volume is increasing back to back 3 days, it has more and more volume, it will move up again. In terms of the short interest, not very high, 3.5%. Of actual short interest, 55%. Nothing to be excited. Also, there was no shares available to short, but now I see there is only 8,000. Not a big number, but the important thing is the cost to borrow fee rate is 136%. This is really high. In terms of the chart, you can see that this is the uptrend. I would say it was moved up to $3.1, then came down, but found a floor around $2, moved $2 for some time, and slowly this thing has been on an uptrend. Yes, it went up down, it hit again 3.15. This area, double top, got rejected. The important thing is, can it hold this uptrend and bounce from there and go back up? If it cannot hold this particular area, maybe it will give you a dip. And when I say in terms of dip, maybe some area around 2.4. If 2.4 is broken, maybe around 2.25, then $2 for sure. So keep an eye. This thing can go up and down, and very volatile and moving. Also, this is important to break the 3.1. So see how we played this particular one. So TMC was on our Friday morning briefing pre-alert. So our entry was to either 2.45 or it breaks 2.35. That was the thing, right? So see how we played on this particular one. So I'm showing you a 5-minute chart, and we made these areas 2.45 and 2.35 based on the previous resistance. So just after the market opened, it went all the way to 2.9, then came below, broke through 2.45, but it held 2.35, which was our entry number 2. And from there, it moved again from 2.35. It went all the way to 3.14, which is like 32% move, then again coming down. So that was for day trading. So 32% move was good. Also in the morning, it moved 10-15%. So that's overall a good trade. In general, if you look at a bigger picture on a daily chart, you can see that I'm going to hide all the lines so that you can see how far it has come down. So it was always in $11-12 range, then it came down all the way to $1.5-2 area, but now recently it has been getting lots of volume. So that is why it is looking nice. Once it can break 3.1, it can go and hit $4. I see some areas around $4. Once 4 is broken, maybe around 5.3, and so on. So we will see, but very exciting. Even on the option side, you can see the implied volatility is very high, 283%. If you want to play with the option, I would say do day trading. Do not hold overnight, just get in, get out. Not very expensive. At 2.5 strike call option cost only $35. Get in when it goes up, get out, that's it, make your money. Okay, so this is ticker symbol TMC. The next one I want to talk is ticker symbol DRCT, which was up by 13%, and this is another ticker. So that is one other ticker we played, I think, on Wednesday, most probably. I just want to see, because this is a nice one. It moved really first. DRCT. I'm just trying to find it. When did we play? Because we made a lot of money on this particular one. Maybe I didn't update here. So DRCT, because I remember from the chart, it moved a lot. You can see from 1.22 it went to 2.07, then all the way to 3.34, came down, but it's still holding very nicely. So let's have a look on DRCT. In terms of the volume, huge volume came 9th of March, 100 million, then the volume died and it came down. In terms of the short interest, I don't see big numbers other than that 35% of exchange. But the good thing is there is no shares available to short. The cost to borrow fee rate is 215%. So again, a good one, right? So let's have a look on the chart. So first of all, this has a chart starting from $4. It came back all the way to 1.2, and now this thing is going up. And if you look at the blue line here, I just want to show you the blue line here. So this is the uptrend. This is the uptrend. It has been moving up. We have to see, can it hold this trend and go back up? Important supports are 2.6, and I would say after that $2 area. So we have to see how things are moving. If it can hold 2.6, maybe it will go back up and it will try to hit this particular area again. 3.5, you see double top here, and also previously it got rejected at 3.5. So it needs lots of volume. I don't see a lot of volume here on March 9th. Lots of volume came, it moved, but recently it is going higher, but not a lot of volume. So keep an eye with the volume, because if you don't see volume, it might come down. But I just want to bring this to your attention, considering no shares available to short and also 215% cost to borrow fee rate. In case the volume comes, the volume, when I say volume comes in terms of 100 million, this thing will move a lot. So we made a lot of money previously on this one when it moved this from $2 to 3.5, 150%, I guess. So anyway, so in this particular video, that was the main intention, to bring this stock to your attention. And I also made a video on HYMC, and this is, we have been playing this, and it has been a money making machine for some time. It came down a lot. It might come down more. Please watch my HYMC one, because it moved almost 500% in 4 days. So maybe it needs some kind of pullback, then you enter. But again, a mineral based play, and this thing is very hot. Anyway, let me know if you played HYMC, MULN, or even TMC or DRCT in the comment section. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also give a try. Join my Patreon community, get access to my Discord so that you can get my alert. And also I come live. I talk about all the tickers, the game plan at 9 o'clock, so that I can give you some heads up before the market open. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.